alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. We are in weekend picnic with the family after the work, and we have seen some linden trees. I'm just gonna check, and if it is the linden, we are gonna maybe make linden tea. Yes, dear brother and sister, we get the linden tree and the tree full of linden herb. Now we are gonna pick up some and we try to make some tea. It's very strong, nice smell. Okay, brothers, now I'm checking the linden tea price is $2.99 on market. We have all kinds of teas here. We are picking up the linden flowers and we are gonna make the tea. We collect the linden flowers, so the scent is very strong, very nice smell. Go back to our table and we are gonna try to linden. We are putting the linden flowers inside the kettle, and we are gonna put hot water. And after that it's gonna be sit a little bit, then tasteful linden tea after this. It's good for immune system, and especially winter time boosts your immune system, and also very tasty. And we are gonna drink after. We can get many flowers from the nature. These are ready. It's an amazing smell, and look at the color. Now this is the final part of the video. Prepare tea and tasting. Delicious. Nice and sunny weather. The people enjoying on the river with their families. So I would like to take some videos around the picnic areas. It's a very nice smell. All the pine trees. Now we are in the month of September, but the weather is still nice, sunny. Lots of families around the picnic area today because it's a long weekend. This picnic area has lots of the trailers. The people can walk or jogging. Okay. You see, guys, the park is full with the families.
No duckies.
People will make fun in the river. Some people try to fish. Yeah, try to catch the fish. Yeah. All pine trees. I like this. Pine trees means oxygen.